Melasma is one of the most frustrating skin conditions that you can have. People spend thousands of dollars every year just to reduce the melasma. Now they try every cream, they go to clinics, and 6 months later the patches are actually back. Now why is it like that? It's because almost everyone, including most beauty advice that you see on the internet, is treating melasma like a stain, alright? It's not a stain. And today I'll show you why. And the 3 ingredients that actually help reduce your melasma. So here's what no one tells you. Melasma isn't a problem of the top of your skin. It's actually what's happening underneath the skin. And melasma has 3 different problems actually. And each one needs a different ingredient. That's why just one cream never actually works to reduce your melasma. It's only solving a third of the puzzle. Now I want you to think of your skin like a town. Now every town has teeny tiny factories that make brown stuff to protect it. Now these teeny tiny factories are known as melanocytes and they produce something known as melanin. So in a normal town, right, the factories actually behave themselves. Now in the melasma town, 3 things have gone wrong. The factories are overproducing melanin. And triggers like heat and sunlight actually set them off too. And not to mention that the blood vessels at the bottom are actually pumping in extra fuel, keeping the factories running 24/7 at an insane pace. Now the creams are good at just one thing. They lighten the melasma that's already over the surface. Now this is actually pretty useful, but the factories underneath the skin, they're still overproducing. The triggers are still triggering, the blood vessels are still pumping. So tomorrow, more brown stuff from the bottom part of the skin gets to the top. That's why your melasma keeps coming back. So if creams only clean the surface, what actually stops the factories? What actually blocks the triggers? What cuts the fuel lines? These are 3 different jobs with 3 different ingredients. Let me explain to you. Now the first job is to calm down the factories, and this ingredient that you should take is pine bark extract. Now it's sometimes known as Pycnogenol. Now it sounds like a fake ingredient, but it's actually a real one. It's a drinkable ingredient that comes from the bark of a pine tree that grows on the coast of France. So here's why your factories are actually overproducing in the first place. So inside your skin, there are teeny tiny troublemakers known as free radicals, and think of them as gremlins running around, poking holes in your factories, making them panic and pump out more melanin. So pine bark is an antioxidant. Antioxidants catch these gremlins known as free radicals. So end of the day, you have no gremlins, you have no panic. No panic, your factories tend to chill out. And this is not overselling stuff. There's actually a real study which looks at women with melasma that took pine bark extract every day for 30 days. And what happened at the end of 30 days is that their patches actually got lighter. Now, they didn't use creams, they didn't use lasers. This is actually an ingredient from a tree. Pine bark extract is also way stronger than vitamin C as an antioxidant. And when you pair it with vitamin C, it actually works better together. So, pine bark is the chill pill for your skin's wild factories. Now, job 1 is done. So job number 2 is to block the trigger that is causing melasma. The ingredient is known as Polypodium Leucotomos. Now, it's a fern from Central America. And here's its superpower, and this is what it does. It's actually a sunscreen that you drink. Now, remember the factories inside your skin? Sunlight is the biggest trigger. Even a couple of minutes outside, even on a cloudy day, UV light still hits your skin, and the factories panic and start pumping out melanin. This Fern Extract turns the panic switch off, erases your skin's threshold to UV damage, and it's basically whispering to the factories, relax, the sun is just sun, you're fine, you don't have to overproduce melanin. And this is the main ingredient that actually fixes summer rebound. You know the thing whereby every summer when you go out, the pigmentation becomes worse? Because at the end of the day, that's the trigger winning. And Fern Extract, Polypodium Leucotomos, stops it. And you live somewhere hot like me, I live in Southeast Asia, this ingredient isn't optional. I have to take it every single day, otherwise my melasma comes out. So end of the day, Fern Extract equals the off switch on the trigger. Job 2 is done. Now job number 3 is to cut off the supply line. Now this is the heavy hitter. There is actually a real medication called Oral Tranexamic Acid. Now here's the wild part. It was never meant for melasma. So doctors have to put rules around it. You can't just walk into the pharmacy and get it off the counter. In most countries, you require a prescription for this tablet. But here's what blew my mind when I learned about it. Melasma factories aren't just running by themselves. They're actually hooked up to very teeny tiny vessels underneath, which actually pumps fuel into the factories. Things like oxygen, nutrients, and hormone signals. So that is your supply line. That's why melasma patches sometimes look a little bit red. Now, tranexamic acid does one thing. It cuts off the supply lines completely. No fuel, No factory, no patch. And listen carefully, this is the one ingredient I'm not going to tell you to just go and try. You should never buy this online. You don't order it from random websites. You need to see an actual doctor. Because before you start this oral tablet, they need to run blood tests first. And if you have certain skin condition, let's say a history of blood clots, this medication can be dangerous. So tranexamic acid goes into the, hey, let's ask a real human in a white coat, does it actually work for you? Now, you need to get a prescription. By the end of the day, tranexamic acid is the scissors on the supply line. Right? It gets the job 3 done. Alright, so you need to lock this in. 3 problems, 3 jobs, 3 different ingredients. Pine bark to calm the factories, Fern Extract to block the triggers, and tranexamic acid to cut off the supply line. End of the day, your topical creams, they clean off the stain on top of your skin. That's the reason why creams alone just don't work. That's why your melasma keeps coming back. Now, one last thing. None of these 3 ingredients that I mentioned work in a single week. Your skin cells take roughly about 90 days for fully turnover. So if you start tomorrow, the new version of your skin shows up roughly 3 months later. Now, do understand that most people quit at week 3 to week 4 because the thing is not working. Don't be most people. Give it 90 days minimum. And don't forget, sunscreen every single day. Now in the comments, I want you to tell me one thing. Which ingredient surprised you the most? Was it pine bark extract? Was it fern extract? Or was it the tranexamic acid? Now I read every single comment, so the next video, I will create a video just for you. So hit the subscribe button, one health mystery a week. I'll see you in the next one.